Hello Facebook and Insta fam. This is a long awaited video. You guys know that I love jewelry, I love handbags, and I love shoes. Those are my 3 pet peeves, and if I have an amazing jewelry, the cutest shoes, and a great handbag, I am dressed and ready to go. So there is a particular designer in Florida named Christopher Nejman, and I love his bags. He makes each individual bag himself. So without further ado, I've got some bags that have been delivered, and I'm way over time for opening this up. I've been going through a lot, and I've been teaching and been super busy, but today is the day to officially open up my Christopher Nejman handbags. So let's see what we got here. The first one, don't you love his bags too? I mean, he hand makes all of these. So this one is going to be his wallet. And this is, oh God, you gotta love the box. This is going to be his crossover piece where you can use it as a wallet or you can wear it. So as a bag. So here is my wonderful bag or wallet that Christopher made. Wow, don't you just love it? Let's open it up. Your phone will fit. You got credit cards. You're set and ready to go. Love you, Chris. Thank you so much. And I know what this bag is. This is the accompanying bag to this piece. So, oh no, it's not. It is, let's see what this is. This is a wallet replacement. I'm gifting a set of my bags to my niece. So this one is a wallet replacement for myself. Excuse me for the paper. And so this one I already own, but I got another set, and I will be gifting my original set to my niece. So stay tuned. There's another video coming. See you shortly. Okay, here we go for part 2 of my new bags from Christopher Nejman. So this is his official logo, Christopher Nejman. Christopher lives in South Florida, and you can go to his website and see what bags he has. So a few minutes ago, I showed you both of my wallets that you can actually carry as bags. But this is the bag that matches one of the wallets. Oh, I just love this. I have a bag that's very similar to this one, but I love the size. I love the style of this one. So thank you, Chris. It's just a piece of heaven. This girl loves her cute handbag. Okay, one more, and this is the other replacement bag that I will be giving my original to my niece. So this one, Chris made a little bit different. He changed the handles for me. He made it where I can actually add another strap to it. So let me show you. Excuse me. Here she is. Isn't she lovely? God, I love Chris's bags. Talk soon. Have a great day. Bye.